Hey y'all, today I got in this really awesome storage shelf unit. It is 59 by 8 inches wide by 72.2 inches tall by 24.2 inches deep. So you have plenty of room for your storage. This is made out of commercial grade cold rolled steel and reinforced structure, so it's going to hold up. Has a 2,650 pound weight capacity. So there's plenty of room to hold just about anything you need. Now each shelf will hold 530 pounds. The shelf heights are adjustable. Only thing you have to do is take the shelf out, move it up a couple notches or two, and then put it back in place. Easy to assemble, no bolts, no nuts, anything like that. It's just knock the pieces into place. Be a great addition to anybody's shop, warehouse, or garage. I really like that the shelves are solid. They're not wire, so nothing's gonna fall through. They're also reinforced, so don't have to worry about it buckling or caving in on you.